Hello and welcome to the channel. So I've made the move from GoPro to DJI Action cameras, a move that I never ever thought that I would make. My first GoPro camera was the Hero Session, and that's the small cube-shaped camera. I remember very vividly where I was when I saw it for the first time. I was at a Silverstone MotoGP event and GoPro had a stand there, and I thought, that camera is going to be perfect for my mountain biking. I was kind of quite new into mountain biking at the time and wanted to do some content creation, and that camera seemed to be the right one. Worked great for me for quite some time. However, when I look back at that footage now that I captured, it's absolutely unwatchable. There's no stabilisation and it really is just so difficult to watch. I used it for a few years and then moved on to the Hero 9 Black, which did have fantastic stabilisation that GoPro had introduced at that time. However, battery life was short. I had 3 batteries and nevertheless they used to run quite hot as well, so I knew that that was an issue. And lo and behold, just a few weeks back I'd spent a whole day filming a range test video for a scooter that I'd been sent by Avo Pro. And you know, time's really short for me. I've got a young family and I've got a full-time job, so I've got to try and create content in a very small window of opportunity at weekends. That day, the camera was running really hot, and just as I'd finished filming for the day, the error message sort of came up on the screen, and I thought, oh, here we go, and literally lost a whole day's worth of filming on the GoPro. And it was just incredibly infuriating, as you can imagine. So that triggered the search for a new action camera. One of the main sort of rationales that I've also wanted a new camera for was I'd certainly seen lots of other content creators whose sound quality had been improved significantly by having mics that you can use, and I'd seen the mic Mini had been introduced by DJI, and I'd also had really good experiences with DJI, having had a couple of drones over the sort of summer period and since. And I've had the Neo, the Mini 4K, and really got on with DJI's software and sort of user interface. So it was going to be the DJI sort of brand that I started looking at for my next action camera, particularly being linked with the mic Mini. So it was a choice really between the Action 4 and Action 5. Both cameras had come out at this point. The Action 4 was about £120 cheaper here in the UK than the Action 5, and I'd read a lot about the Action 5 and seen quite a lot of YouTube footage that was essentially saying that the Action 5's nighttime and low light capturing was significantly improved, but that's not something that I need really. I do most of my filming in the day, and therefore it was the Action 4 that I plumped for. Now I've had the Action 4 for a few weeks now, really starting to get used to the camera and the way that it just is so compatible with the mic Mini. Literally it's a case of just clicking the mic Mini on, it connects to the Action 4 straight away, no hassle, and you've got really good quality sound. And I'm using the mic Mini now with this footage, so hopefully you're getting a good sense of the quality of the sound out here on this pretty nice day. And it's such a big improvement on previous sounds on the GoPro 9 in particular, which had onboard mics. So that is the rationale for wanting to upgrade to DJI. In particular, it was around the quality of the sound and being able to connect to the mic Mini, but also the fact that I was having some real issues with the GoPro 9 running hot, and again, losing that footage was just absolutely infuriating. So yeah, that's what I wanted to let you know, really. It's been a bit of a journey with GoPro, but onwards with DJI, both with their drones and also the Action 4 and this fantastic mic Mini, which again, I hope is capturing great sound for you. Hope you find this video useful, and as always, please do like, please do subscribe to the channel. It will help me out so much, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.